Hey everyone, this is the other role for my new series where I try to make a Discord bot in episodes. So I am going more in depth than just what I normally do, just show you the code. I'm actually gonna explain it now. So what are you gonna need for this one? Um, the dependencies are these. This will also be on GitHub. So how auto role works when a user joins the guild, um, the bot will check if there is a auto role, if it's enabled. So you have a config here, auto role toggle true. If this is false, it won't trigger. Um, then it will try to find a role. So client.convert role is client convert role is convert role. Convert role is in utils functions. So convert role, it will allow you to or mention a role. Like it will convert it when you mention a role or just have an ID. But since we have it in the config, it will always be an ID. So this is actually not needed, but I'm going to leave it since it's pretty helpful. Then it will try to find a role in the guild. If there is a role, it returns a role, else it returns false. So if it's false, it will just like throw and it will return a console. Else it will add the role to the member that joined and then send a message to the member itself. How I've made this is you can, in the config itself, you can just toggle it, you can place a role ID. And if you don't know, you get a role ID by just doing this. You can do this with a database. I normally do it with a database, but because I am uploading it to YouTube and to GitHub, I'm trying to make it as easy as possible. So if you want to, you can of course convert it to a database, but it's not needed. I have quickly made a command to show you that it works. Essentially, this is the same as just a guild member joining, but instead of having member, you have message. So member is message.member. So when I do the command, it will act like I joined the guild. Message.member. Just to show you. All it changes message, member. Yeah. So I quickly remove this, copy ID, remove this, copy ID, move it, config, change the ID, it's already the same, restart the bot, fake join, it gives me the role and it sends me a message. Thanks for watching. I will try to upload a bit more often. I'm actually trying to make this a real series. Leave suggestions in my Discord, that will be in the description, and be sure to look at my GitHub. I will be updating it more often.